Welcome back to Funimation 3D Kids and Family Cartoon, the magical world where learning becomes an adventure, science sparkles with imagination, and every episode takes you somewhere new and exciting. Today, we're leaving Earth far behind as we blast off on an amazing journey into outer space. That's right, we are going on a solar system adventure. Get ready for glowing planets, swirling galaxies, cheerful animated characters, and plenty of fun science surprises along the way. Buckle up, young astronauts. The countdown begins now. Our story begins on a bright, sunny morning in the peaceful animated town of Stardust Valley. The sky is a brilliant shade of blue, with fluffy cotton candy clouds floating gently by. Birds shaped like tiny glowing comets chirp happily as they zip around. Children play with hover balloons shaped like rockets and stars. And right in the center of town stands our hero, Astro, the cheerful little space explorer. Astro has big, sparkling eyes, a shiny round space helmet, and a silver and blue spacesuit that glows when he gets excited. Today, Astro is more excited than ever because he's preparing for a special mission. In the heart of Stardust Valley lies the Space Dome, a giant crystal building that shines like a gemstone. Inside the dome sits Astro's spaceship, the Starjumper 3000, a sweet, friendly rocket with big, round windows and a smiling face on its nose. As the story begins, Astro pats the Starjumper gently. "Are you ready for today's adventure?" he asks. The spaceship blinks its headlights and plays a cheerful beep-boop melody. The narrator explains with joyful energy. Astro and the Starjumper 3000 are going to explore the solar system. They'll visit the sun, the moon, and all 8 amazing planets. Astro enters the rocket in a swirl of bright sparkles, and with smooth 3D animation, he pushes colorful glowing buttons on the control panel. The rocket's engines rumble, filling the dome with magical swirls of blue and gold light. A countdown begins. 3, 2, 1. Blast off! The Starjumper shoots into the sky, leaving behind a trail of rainbow-colored stardust. As Astro leaves Earth's atmosphere, the screen fills with shimmering stars and swirling galaxies. The music grows dreamy and adventurous. The narrator says, "Welcome to space, the giant magical playground of the universe. Let's begin our tour with the biggest star of all, the Sun." The rocket approaches a gigantic, glowing golden ball, the Sun, who waves at Astro with rays that look like warm, smiling arms. "Hello, Astro," the Sun says in a gentle, booming voice. "I'm the center of the solar system. I keep the planets warm, bright, and full of energy." The Sun's surface dances with animated flames, popping like soft fireworks. Astro laughs. "You're really hot," he says. The Sun winks. "About 27 million degrees hot." Astro waves goodbye, and the Starjumper zooms into the darkness of space toward Earth's natural companion, the Moon. The Moon looks like a friendly, glowing cookie with craters for eyes and a smile made of tiny, sparkling stones. Astro hops out of the ship using his jetpack, bouncing in slow motion across the Moon's surface. The narrator explains, "There's less gravity here, so Astro can bounce like he's on a giant trampoline." Astro waves to the Moon, who quietly says, "I shine bright at night, so you can always find your way." Astro nods. "Thanks, Moon. You're amazing." Next, the rocket heads toward Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun. Mercury is tiny, gray, and fast, zooming around like a speedy marble. It speaks quickly. "Hi, Astro. Bye, Astro. I have the fastest orbit in the whole solar system." Astro laughs as he is carried along by Mercury's fast orbit, swirling through space like a carnival ride. Then they reach Venus, warm, glowing, and wrapped in thick golden clouds. Venus swirls slowly like a ballerina, dancing in a spotlight. The narrator explains, "Venus is the hottest planet, even hotter than Mercury, because its thick clouds trap heat." Venus blushes. "I'm warm and cozy all the time." Astro's next stop is his home planet, Earth. Earth spins proudly with swirling blue oceans, green lands, and fluffy white clouds. "Welcome back, Astro," Earth says. Astro salutes. "I'll be home after my mission." Earth gives him a gentle spin that sends him flying toward Mars. Mars appears as a cute orange-red planet wearing a tiny space helmet and goggles. "Welcome to the Red Planet," Mars says. Astro picks up a small glowing rock shaped like a heart. "Your rocks are really special," he says. The narrator adds, "Scientists believe Mars may have had water long ago." Zooming farther out, Astro reaches Jupiter. Enormous, cheerful, and bouncing with colorful stripes. Jupiter's big red eye wiggles like a blinking cartoon. "Hop on, Astro!" Jupiter laughs. Astro giggles as he slides down a bright orange ring of swirling clouds. Next is Saturn, who sparkles like a jewelry store. Saturn's rings shimmer with icy diamonds, and the planet speaks with a soft musical voice. "Would you like to glide along my rings?" "Might be," Saturn asks. Astro happily rides his jetpack in loops around the glowing rings. Beyond Saturn lies Uranus, cool, calm, and floating sideways like a sleepy spinning pillow. Uranus speaks in a relaxed voice. "I like rolling on my side. It's comfy." Astro rolls with Uranus, laughs, and then Neptune, deep blue, mysterious, and full of swirling wind. Neptune blows a gentle gust, lifting Astro and the Star Jumper in a fun animated spin. "I'm the windiest planet," Neptune says proudly. Astro's hair floats up inside his helmet as he laughs. The narrator summarizes, "We've visited the entire solar system. Every planet is special in its own way. Hot, cold, tiny, huge, rocky, or gassy. And together, they orbit the sun like a big cosmic family." As Astro prepares to head home, he suddenly sees a swirling rainbow comet zooming nearby. It leaves trails of sparkling light like magical paintbrush strokes in the sky. Astro follows it for a moment, watching colors dance across space. The narrator gently explains, "Comets are like icy snowballs from the far reaches of space, the Star Jumper." 3000 then turns around, and Astro waves goodbye to the planets. The rocket glides back toward Earth, leaving behind trails of shimmering stardust. As he enters Stardust Valley again, fireworks of cosmic colors burst above the space dome in celebration of his successful journey. Astro lands gently, and the town cheers. Children wave star-shaped glow sticks, and the comet birds chirp happily. Astro raises his hand proudly. "Space is amazing, and there's so much more to explore." The narrator adds, "Learning about the solar system helps us understand our home, Earth, and the magical universe around us." The colors fade into the Funimation 3D. Kids and family cartoon logo, bright and friendly as always. And now it's time for the outro. Thanks for joining our adventure today. Don't forget like, share, and subscribe to see more amazing science adventures, magical stories, and fun animated videos. See you in the next episode.